Hi, everybody. It's Todd Cohen, keynote speaker and author of the Everyone's in Sales trilogy. No, it's actually 4 books now. Listen, I have a phenomenal idea for you here. I'm in Fargo, North Dakota, getting ready to do a keynote. Well, that's not the great idea. I just want to give you a sense of where I'm at, which is why it looks like I'm in a hotel room filming this. Here's the great idea. Imagine you're a salesperson in an organization and you're frustrated. You're frustrated because HR or legal or finance or product development or service or parts, whatever, the other departments are in your organization seem to feel like you're not getting along with them, or it seems to feel like you're not getting along with them, right? And what's happening is that internal sort of back and forth, that internal angst, that internal, conflict, if you will, what's happening is it's preventing the customer from saying yes, right? Because internal silos, the higher they are, and silos are a mindset that says, not my job. It says, hey, I'm not in sales, whatever. Those internal silos, the more we're battling them internally, the longer it takes for the customer to say yes, and they might go somewhere else. So here's what I want you to do. Let's bring down the silo and start taking the people who have never met your customers, who have never been on a customer call. You know what? Call your HR professional, call somebody in product marketing, call the people you work with in finance, call your accounts receivable person, your accounts payable person, the people who you feel might not really understand what it's like day to day in front of a customer. Take them with you, invite them, do the right thing. Take people who would not normally visit a customer out with you to visit a customer. And you know what happens? Great things. When people actually see the impact of their work through the customer's eyes and have an opportunity to see through the customer's eyes how what they do, no matter where they are in the organization, help that customer be successful, presto, you bring down the silo, you build an ally in the organization, and that person that you took to visit that customer, they're going to be full of new ideas. Listen, everybody comes to work feeling as though what they do has value and it makes a contribution. So let's start proving it. Let's start showing it to everybody in the organization in tangible, actually real-time ways. Invite people who have never been to a client to come with you to see a client. It will knock their socks off. You'll feel better. They feel better. You will build an incredibly robust relationship internally. The silo comes down. The customer can now say yes because your communication internally is better. Go on, do it. I dare you. I'm Todd Cohen. Hey, listen, there's more great content like this on my YouTube channel. Please visit it, hit the like button, please subscribe. I'm trying to get those subscribers up and keep checking back for more content. Take care. Who are you going to invite out? Make that list now and get out in the field and do it. See ya.